India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Even the taxi meters in the tourism trade, how much the taxi people have resisted us. Not only they resisted us in spite of giving free meters, now they are not charging, they are convincing the tourists and they are putting it in the words of the mouth of the tourists that we don't need meter, we are comfortable without the meter. What is this happening? So I have started a new rethink as the transport minister. Why not have OLA and Uber coming to Goa? Let Goan people enjoy cheap transport. It should happen. Should 6,000 tourist taxis hold us to ransom? Should they hold to ransom a 15 lakh population and a 40 lakh population which comes, that means almost 55-60 lakh people to ransom? Should they not have the luxury of sitting in a car and availing free commuting at the cheapest transport mode available?
High Courtaचे आदेश आसा म्हणजे तांकां हाय कोर्टाचे देखून तांकां रेस्पेक्ट दिवपाक सोदना गव्हर्मेंटाकूय ते केअर करना आणि मीटर यूज करना. So what is the use of we giving free meter? By their actions they are indirectly or directly inviting the operators like Ola and Uber. Is not everything else competition is there and people are competing with each other. So let taxi people also compete with each other. थोडे आमचे पॉलिटिशियनूच सपोर्ट करताले. आता हांवें सगळ्यांक सांगलां कटिंग अक्रॉस पार्टी लायन बाबा तुमी हे फुडें सपोर्ट करनाका. वी हॅव डन इनफ डॅमेज टू टुरिजम. तूं पॉलिटिशियन खंयचो तरी तांकां सपोर्ट करना कांयच जावपा ना.
पावर स्कॅम हो अटेम्प्ट टू स्कॅम म्हण परिकरानूय सांगिल्लें आनी तो एक प्रोसिजरल एरर म्हण माविनाचेर जावं.
But the way people are trying to beat me with a stick as if some corrupt activity was there, something I had acquired. What was the allegation of not merely going to the cabinet? It was converted into criminal charge. And तुम्ही जाणा on record परिकरान सांगले it is not even a scam. It was attempt to scam म्हणून. हांवें तुमकां हेच्या आदीं सांगलां हांवें फकाणांनी कितें म्हणलें तेन्ना how it is attempt to scam काय म्हणून you know what is it working in my mind हांव परिकराची फकाणां करतालो तेन्ना. So it is not the question. It was actually not a scam at all. It was a procedural error. And I want to say procedural error rule 46 is very clear. It gives protection to minister. It is the officers. हिंगा कितें ऑफिसरांक कुशीन धरून म्हाजेर केस गायला. So it was political. It is well understood. But let courts decide. Why you want me to comment on the merits of the case?
Bureau Report, Prudent.